Hello guys, this is the Java Swing video series and firstly we will discuss on JFrame. A JFrame is the main window of a Java Swing GUI application. It represents a window with a title bar, border and button like maximum, minimum and close button. Okay, so it is a top level container which means it can hold all other components such as JButton, labels, text field, JPanel and more. Okay, so for creating JFrame, we use JFrame class and create its object. So frame is the reference of this object and window is the text which is printed on the title bar. Okay, so using this basic syntax, we create a JFrame. But before creating this JFrame, firstly we use some common methods like set size. So using this set size method, firstly set the size of the JFrame with give its width and height. So this method is accessed by using the reference. So JFrame object reference is frame. So frame dot set size, we set the size of the JFrame. Okay, and next the most useful method is set visible. Without this method, we can't this JFrame can't appear. Okay, so for accessing frame set visible method, we use frame dot set visible and it's set to true. Okay, so after when we run this program, then this frame is appear with title bar, title text is windows, and its height and width is which value we pass in the method. Okay, so using set visible, this window is appear. Okay, and next commonly method we use firstly set size, set visible, then we also use set title for set the title. Okay, set layout, this is another method. So firstly we set null layout, and for activate the close button we use set default close operation, and for adding other component to our JFrame we use add method. Okay, so let's discuss with creating first program for JFrame. So firstly, we create a new Java program for creating JFrame and use the name application. Okay, and then next, and then finish. Okay, so in this application, firstly we create package, new package, com.java.swing. And in this package, firstly we create first class for JFrame for creating JFrame. So we use the name frame, click on main method, public static void main, and then finish. Okay, so for creating JFrame, we use JFrame class, and this class is located in Java Xswing package. Okay, so firstly we create its object using JFrame class, and its reference is frame is equal to new JFrame, and give the title for this windows. Okay, and import the JFrame class. Import JFrame class, and then next method we access using frame object reference dot. Firstly we set layout, so use the method set layout and select second method set layout, and in parameter layout manager and keep the layout firstly null. Okay, so next method is set size. Okay, so in set size, select the third method which hold width and height, and give width is 400 and height is 300. Okay, so after set size, for activate close button, we access method set default close operation. First method set default close operation and in parameter give JFrame dot exit on close. Okay, and the last method is set visible. Okay, so for accessing this we use frame reference and set visible. Okay, and this value is make this this method put on bottom of this application, bottom of this class. Okay, and if you want to add one more components like button label, then we use add component, this method, and we can add another component. Okay, these are the methods for creating JFrame. Firstly, we create its object and using reference, we set its layout, its size to activate its close button, and then this frame is set visible. Okay, so I save this and run this application by click on drop down button and run as Java application. Okay, so in this way, our JFrame window is created with title. Text is Windows. This is a minimize, maximize, and close button with its height is 300 and width is 400. And for using set visible true, this windows is appear here. And when we click on close, this window is closed. Okay,